Happy 2020. It's January. I can't believe it. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. My name's Heather if you're new to the channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Young Living Essential Rewards order for January. My Essential Rewards order is something I get every month through Young Living, and these are things that I get for the family, such as cleaning products, supplements, oils, and things like that we use every month. So let me show you what I got this month. Okay, starting off, if you watch some of my other unboxing videos, you'll know that I love the Thieves laundry soap. So I am stocking up on that again. It lasts forever. It's made with Thieves essential oil. The reason I use this is because my kids are really sensitive. Their skin is very sensitive to any of the products with fragrance or dyes or anything like that. So this has been great for them, and like I said before, it lasts a really long time. It's super diluted, so what I typically do is once I get one of these bottles is I have pump bottles that I'll add this detergent into and then top it with water, and it will make the laundry detergent go even farther. So it really lasts a long time. Next, what I got this month is I actually ordered 3 of these Seedling linen spray. Now the Seedlings is Young Living's baby product line. I don't have any babies, but I do have 3 kiddos, and I wanted to order each of them this linen spray so they can spray it on their beds at night or in the morning. It's a calming spray. We like to also make our own. It's really easy to make your own spray, room spray, sheet spray, but this is all nice and packaged already together. So I'm just gonna place this on their nightstands, and at night they can just spray their sheets, and it just gives a nice calming scent. So got 3 of those for each of the kids. This makes a great baby shower present also, or even just a new mom present. So something to think about for that. Now it's winter, we are here in Utah now, so Jay, my husband, has grown out a rather large beard, I would say. So I ended up getting him the Shutron beard oil. He has not tried this before, so I'm excited to hear what he thinks, but I've heard from friends that their husbands really love it. So I'm going to go put this by his sink and let him give it a try. I'll report back. Next, I bought tangerine. So I am one of those people, I love all the citrus scents, all the smells. I pair everything with orange, lemon, tangerine, it seems like. So tangerine is a nice kind of slightly sweet smell. It smells really similar to orange, but I thought I'd change it up this month and go with this one. Next, I ordered Highest Potential. It's January. We have big goals. I've been setting my goals, big lofty ones. So I've been diffusing Highest Potential. I love the blend of Highest Potential. This one smells so good. So aside from the fact that it's supposed to, support all the feelings of success and your potential, it just smells good. So I love having this in the diffuser in my office and even just around the home because I work from home. So I'll have this going during the day while I'm here. Next up, I ordered Jade Lemon. Again, it's January. I cleaned out all the Christmas decorations, kind of I'm doing not a spring cleaning, but a January cleaning. And Jade Lemon is just a nice, super fresh scent that, again, I could have it going all day, every day. It's another one that I also love to put on my wool dryer balls. So instead of using dryer sheets, I have the wool dryer balls, and I'll take Jade Lemon, put a couple drops on the dryer balls, and then toss them in the dryer with my clothes. And it just leaves the clothes smelling super refreshed, and I just love it. Jade Lemon is also super popular. So when you order that one, you can, I think now typically only order 1 bottle at a time because it is very popular. Next, I ordered another bottle of Thieves. I have been just constantly running Thieves, rolling Thieves. It's just the season of sickness, so we just do our best to try to stay above the wellness line. Thieves is a great blend to help support your immune system. So I make rollers to roll on my kids' feet at night, and in the morning before they put their socks on, I'll roll it on myself as well, diffuse it. Just use it as much as we can. So a couple days ago, if you follow me on Instagram at Heather Marie Home, I did my iTovi scan. What iTovi is, it's a little device that will use similar technology to like a Fitbit, and it will tell you what or suggest oils and supplements that your body could benefit from. And one that keeps coming up over and over is Juvaflex. So I decided to go ahead and order it this month and use it. I'm going to be doing a little bit more research on how to use it, the best way to use it. So I'll be diffusing it for now. And also I'm going to make a roller and, roll it on my wrists and go from there. Another one that came up in my iTovi scan, which I thought was really interesting, is Field. And Field is supposed to be a blend to promote your occupation, feelings of what you do, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you own your own business, whether you go into work. It's just, I think, a blend to help kind of just give you this inspiration of your occupation. So I thought this was also a great one to have for January, kind of going into the new year and really working on my business this year. Next up, I ordered some more lemon, kind of going back to that citrus. I love lemon just for the fresh smell, and also for all things cleaning. I'll add lemon to my Thieves spray, to my Thieves cleaner when mopping or just spraying around the house. So I love having lemon on hand. I go through this quite quickly. And then some of the ones that, before I get to what I got for free this month, I also ordered a box of Ningxia. So the box that I order actually comes with 2 of these bottles, and Ningxia I basically describe as a liquid vitamin. It's full of antioxidants, and my family and I, we take basically 2 ounces a day. So we'll go through a bottle and a half a month. So Ningxia is just something that I really can't live without. It gives me energy and just makes me feel great all day. So love having my Ningxia. So since I ordered all of this month, Young Living offers free products depending on how much you order every month, and every month it changes. So this month, the free things I got are these cute gloves or mittens. They have a little kind of Young Living logo on them, but let's see here. Since it's been snowing and there's still so much snow outside, I thought this would be good to have. I don't know if I can open it. But anyway, these are super cute. I don't know if you can see those. And then that also came with a really cute little beanie with just a small kind of Young Living logo on there. So got that for free this month. I also received a large bottle of peppermint this month. Peppermint's great for everything. I actually like using it in my coffee, just I put a drop, or brownies. That'd be good for Valentine's Day coming up in February. And just diffusing it, especially during the day, kind of just gives you a feeling of energy. So I love peppermint. Peppermint, actually one of my favorite diffuser blends is peppermint and Stress Away. Smells so good. It's kind of like a vanilla mint smell. Next, I got Clary Sage for free, a big bottle of that. And then this one is such an amazing one to get for free, Roman Chamomile. This one, if you need sleep support, I highly recommend Roman Chamomile. This is one that my husband swears by for sleep support. We put a couple drops in the diffuser at night along with a little bit of lavender just to kind of make it smell a little bit better. Roman chamomile, I will say, does have a pretty strong smell, but it works wonders when it comes to sleep support. So if you have trouble sleeping, I highly recommend this one. And then another bottle of cinnamon bark, just great again to cook with, and kind of in this winter season, it's a nice smell to have in the diffuser. So I believe that is all I got this month, but every month I share with you what I get from my Essential Rewards, just in hopes to kind of let you see different products that they have. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I would be happy to answer them. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time.